Hey y'all, it's your girl K Beauty and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the crocodile style nails, and these are going to be press on nails. I'm just going to file the tip with this new nail file that I got from Tammy Taylor, and I got it from Amazon. I'll be sure to post it in the description bar so y'all can get access to this nail file. I'm so happy that I got it because it seems like a good nail file, and all the other nail files I got were whack. So I'm glad that I got this one. So now I'm going to use this Harmony nail buffer and just buff off that shiny layer of the press-on nail. So we're going to wipe off the nails with some alcohol and prep it for our base coat. So after the base coat, you want to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with my Madam Glam, and I'm going to use 2 coats of this. So the dotting tool is going to be your best friend when it comes to this design. So I like to start at the bottom and just do a line and then work my way up to the top, going back and forth, creating these lines. So once I create the lines, I'm going to go ahead and use that dotting tool to do my dots on the side. Ooh, these diamonds are so pretty. I love diamonds, y'all. Like, I just have to do nails with diamonds. So now I'm just going to take this Beetles Top It Off, and it's a matte top coat. And I got this from Amazon as well. Hey, this is the finished look. These nails came out really, really, really pretty. I just love them so much. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.